Turns out I didn't know my mother's son.
I'm gonna do the last burnout here in the old motor 7.0, and we're gonna tear it out, put Godzilla in there. Many more burnouts to come.
Want more for the fans? That might have been the weakest burnout. One more time. Folks, Lucilla 4.0 SEMA 2026 getting ready to be taken apart at Muscle Car Concepts. 7.3 Godzilla going in. Todd Francisco, Midwest Rollers, all the key words to find us and our crew here at Muscle Car Concepts and Restorations, aka MCC. Tell grandma, tell the son, tell the daughter, go knock on someone's door. Sir, do you know there's nobody in there? Lucky for him, I was gonna let him know.
And you need to go tell everyone that you need to subscribe to Muscle Car Concepts because we do cool stuff like that. And if you're not subscribed, you miss out. And you know what? That's not our fault. That's yours.
When was the last time you saw a 70 Thunderbird in purple? Never. And now you got Lucilla 4.0 literally being created here at Muscle Car Concepts. Folks, you dream it, we build it, you build it, we'll fix it. Folks, our paint department is rolling. This is the Thunderbird. Godzilla's going in here. Ain't she pretty? She looks like she's running a little bit hot. Folks, get ready. This is going to be in all the car shows this summer. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. And if you see this summer, let us know. Go up to Francisco. Tell him you love the project. Tell him that you were originally a part of Lucille before Lucille turned into Lucilla 4.0. Francisco, what do you want to let the people know?
At Muscle Car Concepts, you can build it, dream it, wreck it.
And then fix it again.
And then fix it again.
Are you excited?
I'm really excited.
What are you really excited about?
I'm gonna tear it apart again, put it back together in less than 8 months.
So when can they expect new paint and the motor in it?
A couple months.
February?
If we get it in, we'll have to see. I mean, Muscle Car Concepts are really busy. So they got a lot of paint jobs here, so we'll fit it in.
Thank you, Todd.
Thanks.
Francisco's hard to work with, dude. He just does it. Like, I was standing right in front of the camera and he's just like, we're going, whether you got the footage or not.
He went, guess what? Last burnout. Boom!